Paano mo hindi mo alam? You are the president, Mr. Chair. Medyo nagagalit na ako dito eh. Nagsisinungaling ka. You are the president. And you do not even know. Anong ibig sabihin ito? Niloloko mo ang committee ito?
No, Your Honor. May I continue the...
Oh, go ahead, just continue.
The story
You
of-
better tell the truth because I am going to cite you in contempt. To make a motion to it.
Yes, Your Honor.
My goodness, hindi mo alam? Ano ba kayo? Mga tanga ba kayo? Are you going to allow yourselves to be used by a Chinese national?
Yung mga may nag-identity theft daw.
Si Linsangan, si Bernie Chang, Edwin Ang, Julian Linsangan, Marion Chua.
Good afternoon.
Kailan mo nalaman na ginamit yung pangalan mo?
Actually, Mr. Chair, yung isa ko pong kaibigan nung June 26, nag-message po sa akin, morning, na sinasabi niya sa akin na pare, sikat ka na, nasa news ka. So yung wife ko po nag-search po via Google. Then nakita nga po niya na yung pangalan ko nasa news na po ng bulletin. Meron din pong post sa Facebook na nandun po yung pangalan ko sa isang content creator.
So nalaman mo lang na ginamit yung pangalan mo nung lumabas na ito sa news.
Yes, Your Honor.
And ganun din kay Mr. Ang at saka kay Mr. Ano. Tama po ba?
Mr. Chair, actually ako po ang nag-inform sa kanila na nakita ko po yung pangalan namin dun sa isang write-up nung isang
Sige.
creator.
So, ano yung ginawa nyo nung nalaman nyo na ginamit ang inyong identity?
Nung pong nalaman po namin yun, since ang nakita lang po namin sa news is Lucky South 99. So nag-inquire po ako sa SEC para ma-confirm po kung talagang yung pangalan namin nandun sa dokumento ng Lucky South 99. So nag-request po kami online sa SEC ng document ng Lucky South 99. Doon po na-confirm namin na doon sa dokumento po ng galing SEC, andun po yung pangalan naming tatlo.
Hindi ba kayo nag-file ng kaso nung nalaman nyo? Hindi nyo ba kinasuhan si Lucky South 99?
Actually, Mr. Chair, nung chinek po namin dokumento, nag-backtrack kami. Nagkonsulta po kami sa abogado na kaibigan ko lang po. Dahil wala po kami pambayad ng abogado talaga. Nag-file po kami ng kaso po sa Makati Prosecutor's Office against Lucky South.
Gumawa ng aksyon nung matapos nyong malaman na nagkaroon ng identity theft sa inyo. Kasi
Yes, Mr. Chair,
may
nag-file po kami.
pananagutan din sila dyan. Kaya kayo ay nag-file
Yes,
ng kaso
yes, Mr. Chair, nag-file po kami ng kaso.
sa RTC sa Makati.
Nasa Prosecutor's Office pa lang po.
Okay.
Mga kaso ng PAOK TF, kasama sila sa... kasi sila yung nandun sa incorporators mapapailan sila ng kaso. So, basically, what will happen to them? So, mabigat naman yung depensa nila, di ba?
If we file the cases against them, they are given the equal opportunity before the panel of prosecutors to submit their counter affidavit to refute our allegations that they have something to do with Lucky South 99.
Pero yung tatlo ngayon, magkakakilala ba kayo?
Yes, Mr. Chair, magkakaibigan po kami.
Magkakilala kayong tatlo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano mga trabaho po ninyo, if I may ask?
Sir, Mr. Chair, ako po ay compliance officer po sa isang private company. Fireworks company.
Fireworks.
Fireworks. Si Edgar.
Good afternoon po, sir.
Edwin.
Edwin po.
Can you speak louder, Edwin?
Sa appliance po ako formerly po.
Appliance.
Yes po.
Saan po?
Sa Anson po.
Yung isa?
Sa fireworks company rin po, Your Honor.
Fireworks din. We were just wondering paano kayo pinili Saka, yung bang mga TIN number nyo na nakalagay doon sa corporation, is it the same TIN number that you have?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nakakapagtaka paano nila nakuha yung mga TIN numbers nyo Saka paano nila kayo na-identify? We're not saying na involved kayo we're just wondering why. Magkakakilala kayo, magkakasama kayo, pareho mga team numbers nyo. And even your pictures, your passport were included in the submission of all the documents in PAGCOR.
Actually, nung pandemic days po kasi, I was selling this bottled tuyo. And then I met this guy, Mr. Dan De La Cruz. So, siya po ay constant seller po, constant buyer po nung aking binibenta. Then, dun niya po ako inalok. Sabi niya, baka gusto mong mag-invest sa company na tinatayo ng boss ko. Then, nagsabi po siya kung magkano yung investment. Sabi po niya, at first is 15 million, pero hindi naman namin kailangan ibigay lahat. And then sabi niya, kung gusto mo, maghanap ka ng kasama mo. Yung inaalok po niya pertaining is online gaming po. So, nung sabi niya, maghanap ka ng kasama mo, kahit dalawa, at least tagpa 500,000, dun ko po silang dalawa inalok. And then, comes August 2023 po, hiningian niya na po kami ng mga IDs with TIN numbers and pirma para i-validate daw po sa PAGCOR. Magkakaroon daw po ng mga investigation like...
So, in other words, nagkaroon kayo ng interest because hindi mo right away ni-reject yung proposal. As a
Yes,
matter of fact, you talk to your two friends and you somehow agreed.
Yes po, Your Honor. Kasi syempre, since namama...
So, hindi kayo, we thought random yung pagkakapili ng pangalan nyo. But basically, sino yung kumausap sa'yo ng pangalan?
Mr. Dan De La Cruz po, Your Honor.
So, you are in contact with him until now?
Wala na po, Your Honor. Nung nalaman po namin yung mga pangalan namin na naisama po dito sa korporasyon na to, agad po namin siyang tinawagan pero hindi na po namin makontak.
Dan De La Cruz. Meron kang picture ng Dan De La Cruz?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Mukhang hindi talaga identity theft. Kasi kung identity theft, hindi nyo alam, no? Meron kayong, kasi nag-submit kayo ng ID, nag-submit kayo ng TIN. So, kumbaga, para kayong nabudol. Di ba? Parang ganun yung dating.
Opo.
So, Lucky South 99 Corporation, andon sila Paterna, sila Julian Linsangan, at sila Edgar Chan.
Kami po yung officer ng Lucky South. Kami po tatlo.
Alright, please just state your name and give your position in the
In
corporation.
papers, Your Honor, I'm Julian M. Linsangan III as a president po.
Okay, next.
Yes po, good afternoon po. Edwin Ang po, treasurer po.
You are the what?
Po. Edwin Ang po.
And what is your position?
Nakalagay po sa papers, treasurer po.
In paper then?
Yes po.
Oo. And
Marion Ryan Chua po. In papers as director po.
in papers then?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oo. So, let me ask. Also, Miss... okay. May I ask, who is the real owner of the corporation?
Hindi po namin alam, Your Honor.
Okay. So, you are the incorporators, you are the president, but you do not know the real owner of the corporation.
Your Honor, as we said kanina po, pinulge po yung pirma namin nung time na nag-amend sila ng incorporation po nila.
So, Mr. Chair, let me ask, how did you become incorporators?
Hindi po namin alam, Your Honor.
Wait. Congressman, may I interject? Kasi a while ago, that other guy was talking, anong pangalan mo, bro?
Marion Chua po.
Brian Chua. Kasi kanina may sinasabi ka. Ang sinasabi mo sa amin kanina, may kumausap sa iyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nagpunta pa kayo ng parking area. Di ba? And he offered you 50 million. Sabi mo, hindi mo kaya. Tapos suddenly, sabi mo, nag-negotiate siguro kayo or something. Lumabas kayo ng 500,000.
Yes,
And
sir.
you told us that you talked to the two others para i-consider yung offer.
Yes, sir.
So, nung consider yung offer, I'm pretty sure alam nyo kung anong pinag-uusapan nyo. Di ba? 500,000 yung ilalabas nyo. Yun ang usapan nyo di ba?
Mr. Chair, that's my next question.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me ask, no? You were incorporators in papers.
Mr. Chair, we're not the incorporator. Ginawa lang po.
You were not really the incorporators.
We're not the incorporators.
Therefore, you did not pay any amount to the incorporators.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, you only became incorporators to be able to satisfy the regulation of corporations in which 60% are owned by Filipinos. You did not contribute any money as far as buying shares is concerned.
No, Your Honor.
Therefore, the corporation is owned by Chinese nationals who are not even Filipinos.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin nun, Mr. Chair, nagpagamit din kayo.
No, Your Honor.
Hindi, nagpagamit din kayo. Come on, hindi mo alam eh. Paano mo hindi mo alam? You are the president, Mr. Chair. Medyo nagagalit na ako dito eh. Nagsisinungaling ka. You are the president. And you do not even
Are you a businessman, sir?
No, Your Honor. Namamasukan lang po sa private.
You're just an employee.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it the same with your two other companions? Can they please state for the record whether they're
Yes
businessmen?
po.
You are?
Edwin po.
You are employed or
Employed lang po.
employed? How about you, sir?
Mr. Chair, employed lang din po.
Okay, now, have you at any point in time met the other officer of the corporation, the Miss Paterna?
No po. Wala
Never?
po kaming kilala sa mga Lucky South. Ano po?
Hindi kayo nakita ever since?
No po.
So this is the first time that you've seen her?
Yes po. Sa
Okay.
second po, sa Senate po kasi na...
Okay.
na-
Okay, so prior to that, were any of you required to submit copies of your licenses, IDs, or any other forms of identification which usually attach to the articles of incorporation?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Team numbers.
Doon po sa dokumento pong nakuha namin sa SEC, andun po yung TIN number namin doon sa certificate, director certificate na sinubmit nila, which is forged po lahat yung pirma namin.
But the team numbers are correct naman.
Correct po yung TIN number, pero po yung issuance nakalagay po doon Angeles City, which is hindi naman po yun ang issuance ng TIN number namin.
Okay. Miss Paterna, Have you ever seen any of the three other incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Hindi po. Hindi
Ne-
ko po sila kilala.
Never mo yung nakilala?
Never po.
Never were you present in any meeting where all the three of them were also present?
Never po.
Never. Ikaw lang yung nasa office palagi.
Opo.
Ikaw lang yung nauutusan ng mga persons running Lucky South 99.
Yes po.
And you never got a call, text, message, or anything from any of the three persons involved? Itong mga bisita natin ngayon.
Wala po.
Ikaw lang.
Opo.
Okay. Mr. Chair, thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am Baterna and the three guys, no? Kasi hindi po kami galit sa inyo, pero there's something missing eh. Missing ano. And we're about to find it out. We are going to find it out. Now, the motion will be withdrawn to cite you in contempt. I think we have to withdraw that.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. It should be me that should withdraw the motion, not the chairman of the committee. It should be me. And Mr. Chair, I reiterate my motion because look, these people are actually insulting me. I'd like to ask the director of PAOK, do you believe that these people know many things? Nainiwala ba kayo na may alam itong mga to?
What we could say, Your Honors, is that we would include them in the criminal charges that we would file because we are not buying the story that they are innocent victims of an identity theft.
Therefore, you know that they know something, right?
I agree, Your Honor.
Therefore, with this basis, I reiterate my motion for contempt.
Okay. I am just a chairman and we have members and I respect the decision of the members on this. I'm telling you, guys, we have to find out the veracity of your statement regarding your employment. We have to see, kung can you kindly submit all your documents pertaining to your being an employee? Katulad nung si Chua, nagtatrabaho daw siya sa appliance center sa Anson. Is this true?
Yes po, Your Honor, pero kaka-resign ko lang po.
Wala kang properties, wala kang sariling bahay, wala kang sasakyan,
Actually,
How old are you?
magpo-48 po.
40,
47, going 48.
47.
Yes po.
So you were not employed by the Lucky South or any corporations under this
Never po.
this Pogo
Never
Hub?
po, Sir, Your Honor.
And you also yes, you.
Never po, Your Honor.
How old are you?
38 po, Your Honor.
38. You have your own house, your own car?
No, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because we are trying to look on the on the veracity of your statement here.
Yes, Your Honor. I
And
only
also-
have a motorcycle po.
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako connected sa Lucky South. Meron po akong bahay na tindiran, naka-loan po sa bangko po.
Wala nang anumang property na nakapangalan sa inyong tatlo?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Your Honor, ako property lang po, lupa lang po, wala pong tayong bahay.
How big is the lot?
180 square meter na sa Kanlubang po.
Okay, thank you so much. Ikaw Baterna, may mga property ka ba nakapangalan sa'yo?
Wala po.
Nakatago lahat?
Wala.
Nakatago? Ba't sumagot ka lang ako?
Wala po talaga, Your Honor. Promise.
Yung Ferrari wala sa'yo?
Wala po.
Okay, 1 minute suspension. So what is the pleasure of the body?
There is a pending motion, Mr. Chair.
For her?
Now, for the incorporators, for the four of them.
O sige, what's the
Now, realizing, Mr. Chair, that these four are mere employees, at ginamit lamang sila out of my compassionate heart, I am withdrawing my motion for contempt.